Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to our second PU Science online classes. In last class, we studied some important concept, some of the gates like logic gate, in logic gate, NOT gate, call as inverter, gate, and last gate is the AND gate with the symbol as well as the truth table. Two variables or three variable but always producing the result only one. Now the next or in today's class we are going to learn the new thing. The concept is the Boolean postulates, and also such Boolean postulates called as the basic postulates of Boolean algebra. The Boolean postulates or the basic postulates of Boolean algebra. Now, the Boolean postulates or the basic postulates of Boolean algebra means the fundamental law LAWS. The fundamental laws of the Boolean algebra are called as Boolean postulates or the basic postulates of Boolean algebra. The laws LAWS. I am not going to tell LOSS. LAWS, the fundamental laws of the Boolean algebra called as the Boolean postulates. Now, the first law of the Boolean algebra, if x value not equal to 0, you have to imagine, now just I said x value not equal to 0, then what's the value of the x? Then x value is equal to 1. Clear this? So this is the first law. Later we will prove about this one, all each and everything. Now just first of all we are going to study about each law. If x value is not equal to 0, then x value is equal to 1. And second law says that if x value not equal, then what's the value of the x? The x value is equal to the 0. Okay. So this is the first law of the Boolean postulates or the basic postulates of the Boolean algebra. If x value is not equal to 0, then x value is equal to 1. If x value not equal to 1, then x value is equal to 0. Now the second or relations, we know that or with symbol using, this symbol is the plus symbol, and such plus symbol is also representing as logical addition. Now the first sum of the values 0 plus 0, the value will get as the 0, and laterwards we will draw each gate, OR gate, AND gate depend on the values. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Second value 0 plus 1, when you are going to add 0 plus 1, the value will get 1. Next one 1 plus 0, when you are adding maybe 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0, the value always 1, and should remember it, 1 plus 1 always the value is 1 only, don't write as 2. Okay, 1 plus 1, the value is equal to 1 only in our Boolean algebra. Now let's sum of the gate. Now the first thing 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. We know that the symbol of the OR gate, how to draw the symbol of the OR gate. Now we already know, I already completed some of the symbol of the OR gate, AND gate, each and everything. Now just first of all I am selecting 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So the value 0 or 0 that is equal to the result value is equal to 0 only. So here we already got the value or the result value of 0 plus 0, the value is the 0. So 0 or means it is a plus, okay, or 0, the result value is equal to 0 only. Now the second condition in our OR relations, 0 plus 1. So when you are going to add, what I said, 0 plus 1, the value is the 1 only. Now by using such value, I am going to draw the OR gate of the OR gate here by using the value. So 0 or 1, the result is equal to 1 only, okay. And later next one, the third law, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So when you are adding 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Now depend on the value how we are going to draw the OR gate. So 1 or 0, that is equal to, when you are going to add 1 plus 0, the result is the 1 only. And lastly 1 plus 1. So what's the answer? What about the output? When we are going to add 1 plus 1, the value is the 1 only, okay. So 1 plus 1, the value is the 1. Now the OR gate 1, or that is the plus 1, the value is the result value is the 1 only. So we can say that the fundamental law of the Boolean algebra are the basic postulates of the Boolean algebra or the Boolean postulates. So first law we know that. Now just we completed some of the law in our OR relations. OR relation also called as the multiple addition, and some of the law, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Second, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Third one, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1, the value is the 1 only. Now let's the next thing about the AND relation. And we know that the AND relation, what's the symbol using for our AND relation? The symbol is the dot, and it is also indicating or representing as the logical multiplication, okay, the logical multiplication. Now how we completed for our OR relation, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, like that only we are going to complete for our AND relation. But just the symbol going to change, and in our AND relation the symbol using as the dot symbol, okay. So 0 and 0, when you are going to multiply 0 and 0, so what's the answer, what's the result will get? The result is the 0 only. So depend on the value, we know the symbol of the AND gate. So 0 and 0, the result value is equal to the 0 only. Now the second, 0 and 1 is equal to, what's the result? The result when you are going to multiply 0 into 1, always the value is the 0 only. So AND gate shows that 0 and 1, the result value is the 0, okay. And later next one, the third thing, 1 into 0, maybe you are going to multiply 0 into 1 or 1 into 0, there is no any difference, correct? No, whatever you are going to multiply with the value 0, always the answer is 0 only. So 1 into 0, the answer will get as the 0 only. Now what about the AND gate symbol? So 1 and 0, the result value is equal to the 0. And later the last thing about 1 and 1. So always 1 and 1, 1 into 1, the value is the 1. Now how we getting the AND gate? So 1 and 1, the result value is equal to 1. So we know that some of the fundamental law, the first one is the our if x value is not equal to 0, then x value is equal to 1. Second one is the OR relations, just whatever the value we using for the AND, like that only, but here just we need to change in the symbol, in our OR plus sign, in our AND dot sign. And after completing everything, the 3 laws we already completed. Now last thing about our rule, okay, the complementation. Complement, we know the meaning of the complement. opposite. So whatever the value is there, we need to take the reverse value, opposite value. So maybe the first question, the question is the not zero or not false. We can say not false. So what's the value? The not false, that is equal to the value 1. The 1 value, that is equal to true. Clear this point here? Not false. It is a not false. That means the value is a true. Okay, the result is the true. The true value is equal to 1. And later next one is the not true. So what's the answer? Not true. That is false. The false value is equal to the 0. Now depend on the value. Just we completed one symbol for the not false as well as for the not true. So 0. And we know that how to use the symbol of the not gate. The symbol of the not gate we are going to draw in this basis. So this is called as the not gate symbol. So it is our complement rule, that is equal to the not gate. So 0, not, that is the result is the 1. Correct? Now just here what's the result? The not false, the result is the 1. So 0, not, the result is the 1, and 1, not, the result is the 0. So clear this point here about the all Boolean postulates and the basic postulates of the Boolean algebra. After knowing some of the concept of Boolean postulates or basic postulates of Boolean algebra, maybe some laws or relations, and relation, complement, rule. Now let's the next important principle of duality. So this is very important principle used in Boolean algebra. The principle name is the principle of duality. And what's the definition of the principle of duality? So we can say this principle states that starting with a Boolean relation, another Boolean relation can be derived. So what about the definition? Now I completed. Laterwards I am going to explain. I said I am again repeating the definition, stating that or states that starting with a Boolean relation, another Boolean relation can be derived. Now some of the rules of the principle of duality are changing each or sign, that is plus to an and sign dot. Clear? Wherever plus is there, we need to make the change to the and, that is equal to dot. Second, changing each and dot symbol to an or convert to the plus. Okay. Now still here we know that wherever plus is there, we change to the dot, and where dot is there, we need to make the changes as a plus, and later changing each 0 by 1. So where the value 0 is there, we need to make the changes of value 0 to 1 and each 1 by 0. So this is the rules of the principle of the duality. Now the definition also says this one only. Clear this point? The starting with a Boolean relation, another Boolean relation can be derived. So this is the principle, or if you are going to complete the rules of the Boolean algebra, the definition and rules of Boolean algebra, there is no any changes, both are same. Where plus need to change to dot, where dot change to the plus, where 0 change to 1, 1 to 0. Now example. So in this example, just I selected one example. 0 and 0 is equal to 0. So how we are going to change? I said in rules 0 is there. In that place we need to change to 1. Dot is there, so change to the plus. 0 is there, again we need to change to the 1. But there is no any explanation, no any rule about the equal sign. So don't go to change the equal sign as it is. You need to write the equal sign and then after the equal sign 0, so just we need to change to the 1. So this is called as the answer of the principle of the duality, or the dual of 0 and 0 is equal to 0. So this is the answer. Okay. Now the second question. Maybe the second question, 0 and 1 is equal to 0. How we are going to changing? 0. So you need to change 1 dot plus 1 is there, change to the 0, but no any changes in the equal sign. 0 is there, need to make the change to the 1. So this is answer about our second question. 0 and 1 is equal to 0. Third one, 1 and 0 is equal to 0. So 1 is there, change to the 0. Dot is there, change to the plus. 0 is there, change to the 1. Equal as it is 0. Now change to the 1. So this is the answer. And fourth one, I think it clear to everyone. 1 and 1 is equal to 1. So 0 dot plus 1, 0 is equal as it is 1. We need to change to the. So this is the answer of the duality. Now last example, maybe 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. It is just only the question, it not necessary. They say 1 plus 1 should need or should show the value as the 1. Just one question we are using for the principle of the duality, how to change. Depend or by using the rules we are going to change, we are going to use the principle of the duality. So 1 is that, change to the 0 plus, change to the dot, 1, change to the 0 equal, no any changes, and later 0. So need to write the answer as the 1. So we'll get the duality or dual of 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 as 0 and 0 is equal to 1. Clear this one about our principle of the duality. So all are the rules of the principle of the duality, and some examples we completed just to know what about the principle of the duality. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.